Hello, good evening. My name is Troy V. Wright, and I'll be reading for the role of Midnight Eagle in the production of Nightbirds. My cell number is 516-943-5182. I'll begin by reading the opening scene, and then I'll proceed by only reading the lines for Midnight Eagle, the character I hope to portray. Midnight Eagle, John Knight, a brooding superhero, and Dusthawk, Wade Bird, a kick-ass superhero, are mid-fight with Deadbeat Dad, a mid-40s villain dressed in cheap pleated pants with a bad sweater. He holds cans of cheap beer as a weapon. Deadbeat Dad, by the time we're done with you, you won't be able to speak to your kids, even if you wanted to speak to your kids. You'd think he'd change where he hides the checks. We need to get to the non-traditionally engineered secret tower. Right. Let's flap. Dead it. No fingerprints. No DNA. No anything. Looks like the box was wiped clean. What's so funny? That's not funny. That's really dumb. Help with the case. It's not like Twitter has the answers. Or maybe it does. You might be onto something, Dusthawk. Cross-referencing the bomb locations with geotag tweets now. Searching for common threads. Extrapolating acronyms, and BAM! Princess party planning. Visiting website for owner information. Cracking police database for personal address is child's play. Ha! Great Caesar's ghost. Let's go give Miss Nicole Walters a visit. Thank you very much.